So I am going to be sharing with you guys my day. So a day in the life with me. If you guys don't know, I am still unemployed. So I got let go from my job back in November. So I kind of just do whatever I want to do, day to day. If I'm having interviews or meetings or anything like that, obviously I factor that in. So today we will actually have a meeting at 1 o'clock. And I should be having a phone call as well before then at some point in time. You guys seen, we just kind of woke up, getting the day started. It is raining here today, and it's going to be raining all freaking day. But my house is warm, surprisingly. My house is warm. I am about to make me some coffee. Trying to see if the rain stops so we could take little Louise outside, but it's still very much raining. And so I don't want him to get super wet like he did earlier. So I'm probably just gonna continue to wait and see if there's a break in the rain, or at least light rain. Right now it's like still pretty heavy in front of the heater because it's just really that cold. I have a meeting at 1, and then I am going to edit. I'm trying to like get back in the groove because I definitely have been in like I'm not gonna say a rut, but I just have not been very like excited about filming and creating content, which is very and I'm not gonna say creating content because I've been creating other content. I just haven't been like filming and doing that stuff with you guys. So I am super happy to kind of be feeling more motivated and excited about like creating videos and stuff for YouTube and TikTok and Instagram and stuff like that. I did reach 1,000 followers on Facebook, so thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my Facebook page. If you guys haven't, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe and show me some love over there. It's iloveyoutrell with 2 E's in love. But right now I am working on my project that it should be almost done. Like y'all, it should be almost done, or at least ready for me to present to you guys. I've been trying to figure out and resolve things by myself for like the past 4 to 5 months, y'all. Like no lie, 4 to 5 months. And it's just kind of like a rabbit hole for one. And then it's like when one thing gets fixed, another thing gets broken. And so I just have realized that I need to outsource some support to help me with that. So that is what I'm doing right now. So hopefully that they're almost done with what they need to do, and soon I can share my vision with you guys. But I know I haven't really talked about like even my 600 subscriber giveaway, and we're like almost to 700 subscribers. So I'm just kind of like, I definitely need to still get back to you guys, show my appreciation for you guys supporting me. So that will all be announced once my project is ready to go, because it'll all kind of coincide with one another. So waiting and working on that. I haven't eaten yet. I don't really normally eat before 12, honestly. So usually when I get ready to work out, I usually work out around noon, and that's usually when I start to get hungry. But we are getting our Monday going, and that's my water bottle back there. Need to drink like 2 of those right now. Make sure y'all drinking y'all water. Stay hydrated. Oh my gosh, y'all. So I told y'all my meeting was at 1, right? So y'all know we have a home office, and clearly where else will we take meetings? In our home office. So Jordan knew that I had a meeting at 1. I'm walking by the room. I got out of the shower. I put my wig on. I'm like, when is he coming out of this office? Because mind you guys, look at my face. No makeup, no lip gloss, no nothing. So I'm like, he told me he would be out for my meeting. I walked by 12:58. He's over here still having conversation. I'm like, oh my gosh. So I had to like pretty much make a little freaking setup right here in front of this window, and then I had the plant in the background to look like it was intentional. But the call went really good. I'm very excited about the opportunity. My camera's about to die. I'm very excited about the opportunity. I'm moving on to the next step. So hopefully soon we will have a new job. But it was very good. Now I gotta go see why Jordan was taking so damn long.
Yeah, I told you that. I said my last call ends at 1.
I said, would you be done by 1? And you said,
no,
yeah.
I did not say
yeah, you did. I think I even have you on camera saying this, because I asked you. Because I said, my call's at 1. Will you be done by 1? And you said, yeah, I'll be done by 1. And I was like, okay, cool. Because I need to go in there for my meeting.
I wasn't done by 1.
Yeah, clearly you weren't done by 1, sir.
Oh, how's it go?
It's good. I'm going to do the next step for the next meeting. The lady is very nice. She's the person that this role would be reporting to. So, she's like, yeah, I need somebody that's just got a positive energy, positive attitude, and looks at things more of life half, like the glass half full versus half empty kind of person. I'm like, that's me. And you know, I like just her energy was really good. And hey, is that mine?
Yeah, it is.
It is, because I'm like, okay, at the very minimum, I got some chapstick in my purse that I could use. Bought me a chapstick for Christmas and stole it back. I am going to figure out what I'm gonna eat. With 2 factor meals left in here. Ooh, yeah. This is what I'm gonna eat. This is a factor meal. So it comes in a box. It actually comes with, I think, 6 different meals, maybe 7, because I think it's like a week's worth. We get it every Monday. And it tells you what you're getting. So today we're gonna have the chicken and mushroom tetrazzini with green beans, garlicky green beans. And this is like pretty much pre-made food. And it's fresh food, so this food is not frozen. As soon as you get it, it has like some kind of insulation in it to keep it cold, but they never freeze. So you're supposed to put it in the refrigerator, and then it's like, you know, a meal prep. You eat it every day. So we've been doing this for like, I think like longer than 3 months, maybe like since September. So October, November, December, January, February, damn near March. So almost 6 months. And it's actually a pretty cool thing. Like, I like them. You can actually, it's kind of like HelloFresh, where you can like pick what meals you want. All you have to do is just like pop open the freaking plastic. I don't know why all of a sudden the plastic started getting harder and harder to open, but all you have to do is pop open the plastic, and you can either put this in the microwave. It says you can microwave it for like 2 to 3 minutes, but I just find that to be disgusting, because why would I put it in the microwave? I'm gonna put it in the oven, so that way it tastes like fresh out the oven kind of taste. So I like to just pull the plastic off, and then you preheat your oven to 375. So Jordan just took his out, so oven's already hot and ready to go. Let me show you guys actually before I put it in there. This is what it looks like. So again, this is chicken and mushroom tetrazzini, which is just like noodles, and then some garlicky green beans with some mushrooms that look like they just kind of got over there. So put this in there and put this in the oven. Now it says you could do it for like 3 to 5 minutes, 7 minutes. I kind of be like, cook that shit. So I keep it in there for as long as I feel like it needs to be like crispy and nice and delicious. So these are pretty healthy though. Some of these that they have are like options for keto. So if you're into keto meals, if you're into just like eating healthier, these are very good as far as an alternative. You know, for us, typically, if we don't eat these, we used to like order way too much Uber Eats. So this is a way for us to kind of eat healthier, to eat stuff that we want to eat, but then also not to like overeat, because it's like portioned out, gives you your vegetable, your protein. I could work out, I could edit a video, could watch Law and Order SVU. I could do the last two, watch a video. Oh, Savannah James, yeah, she over there at Fashion Week. She said, watch this.
What?
Watch this.
LeBron. Yeah,
Yeah, she looks very good. Very good. I love that blonde hair on her.
I'm like Wizard Kelly. We're working today. Had a lot of meetings.
Took over the office.
Week 2. And so now I have some downtime, about an hour before my next meeting.
Week 2 of what? They don't know.
Oh, week 2 of my new job. I started a new job last week, doing onboarding right now, which is, you know, anybody's gone through onboarding, it's a little boring. It's been exciting.
They didn't even know that you didn't have a job.
Oh, no, because the way I move, man, you could never know. I'm always...
Well, I also didn't tell him. I told him I got fired. I didn't tell him you quit.
Yeah, I quit 4 months ago, and I quit because it just wasn't the right fit for me anymore, you know? Sometimes after you're at a position for a certain amount of time, things change. I was in a startup, so I had to change the leadership, and you know, wasn't the best fit for me. So I decided to bet on myself. It was very, very stressful. You know, everybody knows about all the layoffs that are happening right now, and you know, more layoffs were happening, and it was very stressful to see like, okay, did I quit at the wrong time? Which I did, but at the end of the day, it was a great, it's a great decision for my happiness at the time and moving forward. And then I ultimately found a more lucrative position to make more money and
Wow.
and have all the perks that I was looking for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So me next.
You next.
Me next. But okay, guys, so I don't really have anything else to talk to you guys about right now. I'm gonna make sure though that I pull out the camera when the factory meal gets done so you guys can see it. But yeah, probably going to edit some content and yeah, work on some content, y'all. See y'all in a second. All right, y'all, so this is the factory meal. Like I said, I like to personally keep it in the oven for a good amount of time to make sure that it is completely reheated all the way through. You could definitely pop it in the microwave, or you know, follow the instructions, or do you. But this is what it looks like. So again, we have some garlicky green beans on this side, and then we have the mushroom and chicken tetrazzini. Now, I'm about to get black, and I'm about to add some Lowry's because, like, what? I feel like their flavors aren't off, but I just need to know. I need to have some Lowry's and some black pepper on my food. So I'm just adding a little bit. And yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and mix this up. The little thing gets a bit hot because it was in the oven, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up, and this is our lunch. That's what it looks like. Very cool, very quick and easy, and delicious.